ExcelFunctions. Introduction. Imagine you are helping to manage a small cafe. Every day, sales are recorded, but the owners do not want raw numbers. They want answers. Which days perform best? Are food or drinks more profitable? Are discounts helping or hurting profit? Excel has many formulas that can help you answer these questions. However, you are not expected to memorize formulas. What is expected of you when working in a business context is to understand the information the owners are looking for and then choose the correct Excel tool to obtain it. What will you learn? You will learn how to analyze business data using Excel functions, choose the correct function for a task, and use AI effectively when you need guidance. Every evening, staff enter sales data into an Excel sheet, which can be downloaded from the lesson website. At the end of the week, this table is simply a collection of numbers, and numbers on their own do not help you make decisions. Before we start, let's make the Excel sheet more user-friendly. In the heading row, some titles do not fit within their cells. Look at cell D1, for example. There are two ways to fix this. We could widen the column by double-clicking between columns D and E, but this would make the column wider than necessary. A better option is to use wrap text. Let's undo the column widening for column E. Select the entire heading row by clicking on row number 1. Then go to the Home tab and click Wrap Text. This fits the text within the available column width. We now need to increase the height of the first row so that the text displayed on 2 lines is easy to read. Another improvement relates to the number of rows in the sheet. If we scroll down, the header row containing the column titles disappears, making it difficult to know what each number refers to. We can fix this by freezing the first row so that it remains visible when scrolling. This option can be found under the View tab. Now, let's start turning this data into information. But first, let's understand how the sheet is organized. Column A shows the day of the week. Each day appears 4 times because there are 4 separate sales entries per day: coffee, sandwiches, cakes, and water, which are entered in column B. This structure is kept the same for every day, even if no sales were made for a particular item. Column C shows the product category as either food or drink. Column D shows the number of items sold for that product on that day, while column E shows the selling price of one item. Column F shows the total revenue generated from that product. Column G shows the cost of one item for the cafe owner. Column H shows the profit made on one item. And lastly, column I shows the total profit for that product, based on the number of items sold.